Hey fam, this is Haro Campo, and you're tuning to Easy Rap. For me, it's green flag for me. Kasi even though it's dry, at the same time, we all have a different perspective on how we look on it. As long na yung tao na yun is interested in you, even though meron kasi mga tao na hindi talaga sila mahilig mag-chat, ng mahaba or long message, mga ganun. Kaya for me, it's a green flag as long na they're entertaining that person or that someone in their life ng maayos. Red flag. Kasi, ba't binuview mo lang, that nilalike mo din? Green flag. Kasi, pinapakita lang yun na may pake sila sa'yo in your life. For me, it's not necessarily a green flag. Pero, sige, for me, it's a green flag in a positive way na nag-aantay ka sa tao kasi you're willing to do it kasi nga, malay mo, hindi pa kayo ready or darating yung time na magiging ready na kayo. For me, it's a different Kaya for me, it's a green flag. Kasi being a friendly person naman doesn't mean na we're going to hit you up. Hindi naman ganun lagi yung situation. Kaya for me, it's okay, it's valid. As long na pinapakita naman ng tao na love ka niya and love mo din siya. Nonchalant. Red flag. I mean, it's not in a positive way. Not in a bad way, pero in a positive way na, syempre, ako kasi parang super kulit ko, madaldal ako. Pag napag-feel ko na parang yung tao, parang not interested on me, nakausap ako, ganun. So parang napag-feel ko that time na parang, syempre, ang energetic ko, ikaw nonchalant. Ganun. Red flag, syempre. Bakit mo ba follow yung ex mo? Red flag. Kasi bakit mo sasabihin yun kung kaya mo naman maging better everyday? Consistent. And, okay. Sige, red flag siya sa akin kasi in a good way, ay in a bad way kasi kaya siya red flag. Kasi, ayun, nagre-reply sila constantly lang pero mabagal, ganun, matagal. Kaya, ayun, parang di siya okay for me. Red flag. Siyempre, red flag yung ganun, huwag niyang gagawin yun, guys. Hi guys, my name again is Haro Campo and I'm promoting my upcoming event on schools events like DLSU, Perpetual High, and Binyan. And sa Canto Collective also, sana maka-join kayo doon guys, August 1 sa Canto Collective with releasing party with my friend AG and other artists. Tapos I would just like to promote then my social media accounts. You can follow me guys on TikTok. You can search me Haro Campo. Sa Instagram, ganun din, Haro Campo. And sa Facebook, ganun din, Haro Campo. And yeah, remember someone today with Haro Campo. Bye fam.
Ito lang.
Pick up line.
Pick up line.
Paano kaya? Hindi ko Uy, nakakaya kila ate, nagantay sila. Ano bang baduy kasi ng pick-up line ko? Super baduy yung pick-up line. Isip ko ako, Josh, hindi ako ready.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.